somebody who has an email list, but you're really not seeing the results that you want to be seeing from it? If so, stay with me. I've got something super special for you in my review of List Revival Mastery. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat, and that's because I wear a fedora. Well, you know what it is, pretty much everywhere that I go. And I am one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you are an old hat here, feel free to skip ahead. But if you're new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info advice to make money online niche. Why? Because I want to make sure that you don't end up with a bunch of crap. Bart, where's Bart?
What a load of crappy crap.
Quiet, boy.
There you are. Stop it. You know, I thought for once he finally gave it up, but he didn't. Anyway, the way things work here is that if I like a product, I give a tip. I hit the product rate. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. You know, we've been watching 30 Rock. I love that show. It's a great show. And I'm thankful that Liz dumped that loser. You know what? He was a loser. He didn't deserve her. But I really am a great entrepreneur. Not to toot my own horn, but I am. Anyway, if you are new here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean I'm on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, welcome. We are on the sales page for List Revival Mastery. Now, this is a very different launch than I usually do because I usually deal mostly with beginners. This one is actually designed for people who may already have an email list, but they're not necessarily seeing the results that they want to be seeing. And a lot of people who want to make money online, they do have an email list, but they're just not seeing those results coming in. What Michel has done here is he's basically put together a method for reviving an email list, getting accurate numbers, and really building things up. And it's a very, very interesting method. You can see here what he's done here. This is his actual results when he did the test. Start of test, he did one email, did $54 in sales. By the second one, he was doing $71 in sales. And by the third one, he was at $98 in sales. Okay, so you can see that this actually does work. His method is bringing in more sales for him, and it's a very, very interesting method that basically what he's doing is he's doing a lot of work in order to make sure that his email list actually cares about what he has to say, which is a big deal. Now, what I'm going to do for you is like this. I'm going to give you a custom bonus in my own bonus, which I think is really, really cool because I've actually dealt with the same issue. And everybody who has an email list deals with this issue. And I found actually an interesting method of helping to get some opens that I wasn't getting before. So I'm going to show you my method, my own method in my own custom bonus. And of course, you're going to get the package from Michel. Let's go ahead and see if you can, we can take a look at the members area real quick. Now, it's a very, very simple members area. It's basically, you're just going to go ahead and download a bunch of videos. And honestly, I'm a little bit annoyed with Michel because basically you get a download of videos, which, you know, on the one hand, it's nice to have the download of videos because this way you don't have to deal with constantly going back to the members area. It's just downloaded onto your computer. On the other hand, it's nice to have a full members area. It would be one thing if he included PLR rights, which he doesn't include in the basics. He does include it in the upgrade number 1, which is a nice thing to have if you'd like to get the PLR rights. You can go ahead and offer this package for sale to other people or give it away as a gift or whatever you want to do in order to get that. And so he has a couple of updates over here, which are nice, some nice updates. But the basic package is basically going to be a series of training. And of course, you're going to get my training also, which I'm going to show you a method I've been able to use to help to revive a lot of my lists that I've not been able to get people opening. I was able to get more people opening up because I use this particular method in order to build my list. Let's see if I'm going to give the tip minus the product creator or not.
You rock!
You rock. Very cool stuff. I like this. It's good for somebody who's a little bit more advanced and maybe has a list and isn't seeing the results they want to see. This is going to teach you how to actually start building your email list back up so you start making some money from it again. And really, really cool stuff. Go ahead and grab this thing. You're going to love it.